Hey everyone, this is Sean from MyBottomChef. My friend Troy was asking how I would prepare Brussels sprouts for a holiday dinner. In today's episode, we will be making Brussels sprouts and bacon. This is a very easy side dish. The recipe and instructions are in the description below, so let's get started. Cut 1 pound or 1/2 kilogram of Brussels sprouts into halves. Place a pot of water on the stove. Set the temperature to high. We want to bring the water to a boil before we add the Brussels sprouts. Add a pinch of salt to the water. Once the water comes to a boil, you want to add in your Brussels sprouts. Cover with a lid. Set a timer for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes is up, remove the Brussels sprouts from the stovetop and drain them through a colander, or drain it from the pot if you don't have a colander. Next, we are going to chop up the turkey bacon. You can use regular bacon if you don't have turkey bacon. You can use 3 strips of bacon for each pound of Brussels sprouts. A quarter of an onion for each pound of Brussels sprouts. Once your pan is heated up, add on some butter. Next, add your bacon. Add the onions. Add some more butter. Smells really good. Give everything a good stir. Keep everything moving. You don't want nothing to burn, so keep everything moving. Now we will add the Brussels sprouts. Add some more butter. Sprinkle some salt. Add some fresh ground pepper. When the Brussels sprouts look like this, then they are ready. So there you have it. Brussels sprouts and bacon. Perfect for any holiday dinners. Let's take a bite. Delicious. Hope you all have a great holiday meal, and we'll see you next time.